Okay, another tool I'd like to show you is Luvvoice. I'm just going to share it here. Um, share. And it's quite a useful tool if you're not particularly worried about dialects. It uses the standard Orla and Colm text-to-speech voices. All you have to do is first up have some text that you want to hear. So we'll just pick a bit of transcript from one of my videos here. Paste that into here. Now you want to both generate text to speech and you can also have the option of generating an MP3 file, which you can listen to over and over again. First of all, we choose the language that we want to hear. Irish is way, way, way down here somewhere. Mm. Just wants to be difficult to find, doesn't it? Here we are. There's Irish. So once you've got Irish selected, then you can choose column or Orla. So most basically a male or a female voice. And it'll be fairly standard Irish, what we call Gaeilge Ifigal, Kaidan Ifigal. Um, Now to generate the sound, we just press this, and as soon as it generates it, it should start playing. Verify you're a human, yes.
Tí dit nó díochuid. Ceart go leor déanam is é seo. Piongan, má fiongan. Cat, má chat. Tá cat dubh. Is cat dubh é. Is cat seapánach é. Dragoon, má dragoon. Ru, cá ru. Glúisrothair.
Okay, and once you've listened to it, you can also change the speed that you listen to it at. So you've got a playback speed, the usual variations. Mostly when you listen to something the first time, recommend 0.75 and then speed it up and maybe try and listen to it at a little bit faster than normal, just so that your ear gets tuned into hearing rapid speech. And once you choose the speed that you want it to listen at, you can play it again, or you can download it. And this is your download button to do that. And that's all there is to it. Sinead.